All right, let's talk about one of the true unsung heroes of the modern internet. It's that invisible engine that makes your favorite apps feel so responsive, so instantaneous. We're talking about Redis. I mean, have you ever stopped to wonder how that works? The live leaderboard in a game that updates the second you score a point, or that chat message that pops up with literally zero delay. What's the magic behind that real-time feeling? Well, you'd be surprised how often the answer is Redis. It's the secret sauce for thousands of companies, from the huge tech giants to brand new startups. So let's pull back the curtain and see what makes it tick. To really get Redis, you have to start with its most important feature, its core design principle, where it actually stores its data. This single decision is the key to everything. You see, Redis is an in-memory database, so instead of dealing with a relatively slow spinning hard drive, it does all its work right inside the computer's main memory, the RAM. And that is the entire reason it's so ridiculously fast. This is a great way to think about it. Imagine RAM is your workbench. Everything you need is right there, within arm's reach, super fast. The disk drive, that's more like a warehouse down the street. It can hold a lot more stuff, for sure, but it takes time to go and get something. Redis basically lives on the workbench.
And what's cool is that Redis wasn't born in some big corporate lab. It was built out of pure necessity. Back in 2009, its creator, Salvatore Sanfilippo, was trying to build a real-time analytics system, and the databases at the time were just too slow. So, he built his own solution, he open-sourced it, and developers absolutely fell in love with it.
Now, when a lot of people hear in-memory, their mind immediately goes to caching. And yeah, Redis is a fantastic cache, but that is barely scratching the surface. Its real secret weapon is something much, much more powerful. This quote really says it all. See, other systems might just let you store a simple key with a simple value, but Redis is different. It's a data structure server. It gives developers a whole toolbox of powerful data structures to work with, right inside the database itself. And this is that toolbox in action. It's like having the perfect specialized tool for any job. Need to build a message queue? Boom, use a Redis list. Trying to track unique visitors? A set is perfect for that. That gaming leaderboard we talked about? A sorted set is literally purpose-built for it. It's not just storing data, it's actively helping you solve complex problems. Okay, so we've talked about the what and the how. Now for the really fun part, the where. Where does all this tech actually pop up in the apps and websites you use every single day? I mean, the list of uses is just massive. Of course, there's caching, which makes websites load in the blink of an eye. There's session management, which is what keeps you logged in. It's the engine behind chat systems, the thing pushing notifications to your phone. It is unbelievably flexible. And we are not talking about small-time apps. Some of the absolute biggest names in tech rely on Redis for their most critical systems. We're talking about GitHub, Twitter, Stack Overflow. These are platforms where speed isn't a feature, it's a requirement, and they all choose Redis. So in a world with literally hundreds of database options, what gives Redis its edge? Why do developers keep choosing it again and again? Well, it really just boils down to a few key things. First and foremost, this number says it all, sub-millisecond latency. We're talking about operations that finish in less than 1,000th of a second. That's not just fast, it's a whole different reality of performance. It's basically instant. And when you put it up against the alternatives, you really see its unique power. Memcached is also really fast, but it's pretty much just a simple cache. Kafka is incredible for messaging, but it's not a general-purpose database. Redis hits that perfect sweet spot. It's got the world-class speed, those rich data structures, and the versatility to handle almost any problem you throw at it. So when you boil it all down, this is it. Developers pick Redis because it makes three simple but powerful promises. It's blazingly fast because it lives in memory. It's incredibly versatile because of its data structures. And it's just really simple and elegant to use, which lets developers build amazing things faster. So that leaves us with a pretty inspiring question, right? When the barrier of speed is basically gone, when your data is available in under a millisecond, what kind of new applications suddenly become possible? It makes you think, what would you build next?